makasabi ng mga countries sa Europe?
Yes.
Ano yung mga countries sa Europe?
Iceland, Ireland, United Kingdom, France, Andorra, Monaco, Spain, Portugal, Malta, Italy, San Marino, Vatican City, Switzerland, Austria, Liechtenstein, Germany, Luxembourg, Belgium, Netherlands, Denmark, Norway, Sweden, Finland.
Wow! Wow! Sobrang galing ng batang to. 3 years old lang siya, mga kapamilya. Ibang klase. Give me a high five, Clyde. Spelling naman tayo. Spell Maldives.
Maldives.
Yay! Okay, spell Philippines.
Philippines.
Yay! Good job, Clyde. Good job. Yay! Palapakan natin muli ang ating geography genius, Clyde. Yay! At marami pang batang magpapakita ng kakaibang galing. This is Little Big Shot! Watch the episodes and clips of Little Big Shots only here on ABS-CBN. Subscribe now to be updated weekly.